My degenerate family, what's going on, guys? All right, let's talk some JASMY. How's your Saturday going, guys? Hopefully your Thanksgiving weekend is going good. Hopefully you guys are spending time with your loved ones, with your families. If not, you're spending it with me, and I'm like your family, right? Come on. All right, so let's have a look at JASMY here. Up one spot in rank to 88. Up 5.4% on the day so far, guys. $1.38 billion market cap, 270.42 million in volume, 2 cents 850, up 10.2% on the week, up 63.2% on the month. And I tend to ask this question a lot, guys, especially this month, but does it feel like we're up 63.2% on the month? Not really, right? We kind of feel like we've been kind of sideways for the most of the month, right? It's how it feels. We're going to have a look at it, guys. We are going to have a look at it. Well, today, JASMY is trying to break out, as you can see. We broke all the way back up here, just a hair below, almost exactly where this long-ass candle broke out last week, up to 2 cents 963. And then we wicked a little bit down, a little bit of rejection there. But we're going to close this daily candle in about 43 minutes from the time of recording. And so far, so good, guys. It looks like we're going to have a good close. I would venture to guess that if this candle closes somewhere in this vicinity where it is now, we're likely going to see this next candle open up. I think we're probably going to see a break over 3 cents, possibly tonight, guys, possibly tonight. So it's going to be interesting. If not tonight, we do have the weekly close tomorrow. So if we jump over to the weekly time frame and have a little gander, see what's going on, right? So this would be a solid close above resistance where last week we closed this candle just below resistance here. This time around, we're closing this candle tomorrow. Hopefully, with any luck, we'll close between these two levels, which is exactly what I'm hoping. Full body candle close. And then, which is funny, guys, because look where this weekly candle started. Look where it started, guys. Look, we wicked. I don't know if you can see that. We wicked all the way back down here this week. And everyone was doom and gloom. We fell down to 2 cents almost 2 cents 1. And everyone was doom and gloom. And look at that buying pressure. Wicked us all the way back up on the weekly. All the way back up. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, guys. You love to see that. So anyway. So yes. So a nice weekly close here, guys. I would venture to say next week candle close is probably going to be up in this area. We have to continue to set these higher lows, right? That's what we want to do. Set these higher lows. We bottomed out here. We've put in higher lows. We're getting higher. Let's step up. Let's make another higher low right inside of here next week and continue breaking to the upside, guys. We may actually go even further than that, to be honest with you, because I see a breakout back to 4 cents 4 on the horizon here, guys, in the very, very near term. So yeah, I would keep an eye out for it, to be honest with you. So like I said, we broke out, we retested, and we're in the midst of this breakout here, guys, up to 4 cents 4. That's where I see us going. All right, so let's go over and look at Bitcoin real quick. See what's going on over there, because you guys know as Bitcoin goes, so do the alts. Now, I've told you guys this 100 times over the last couple of days, what I think is going to happen. Now, it is entirely possible we come back down and retest these levels down at 91,900, 92,000 area. It's possible we come down and test that. Is it mandatory? No, it's not. I personally think that next week we're going to smash through 100K. I really do think we're going to smash through 100K. I think that the sell wall has been chipped away to almost nothing. It's crumbling, and we just need a little bit of strength here going into next week after the weekend's over, and we're going to smash through 100K. And then, like I told you guys before, there's about $3.38 billion worth of shorts at 100K that's going to get liquidated, which is going to propel us even further. I think next week could very possibly be a face melting week. So I hope you guys are ready for that. It's going to be absolutely amazing, right? All right, let's check in on Javon Marks here. See what he thinks. What's happening with JASMY? So he thinks 174x move to $4.47 is in the cards here from his chart. He's posting up. Here's where he thinks we're going. Let's see what else he says. Look at the high buying volume. Yes, there's a massive spiking in buying volume, as you can see. Look at that, guys. Look at the demand. So that's very, very bullish as well. He says this can be soon reflected in the price action, and with a larger breakout, target over 19,696% to $4.47. I personally don't think that that's going to happen. I don't think we're going to see $4.47 in this bull run, but it's nice to be nice, right? So now, guys, all of this is happening. JASMY is on the cusp of a big, big move to the upside here, okay? It has been kind of waiting its turn while we've seen a lot of the other altcoins breaking out. We've seen XCN Onyx coin start its melt-up phase. We've seen Swift start its melt-up phase. We've seen XRP, XLM, Cardano, and a lot of other Solana, a lot of other projects have begun their melt-up phase. And so finally, and I've been telling you guys, we're not in altcoin season. We're not in altcoin season. Well, guess what, guys? Okay, guess what? We have officially started our move towards altcoin season. We have spiked all the way up to a 71 on the altcoin season chart. We are moving in, guys. Could be as early as next week. Or next month. I was not anticipating it happening until the middle of January, but you know, it looks as though it is actually beginning. So we have this. We have our altcoin season metrics, right? As we can see on the chart, the alt season index. And I'm going to give you some more metrics here, guys. If we go over and we look at the Dixie is continuing to the downside, which again, very bullish for risk on assets, right? Very, very bullish for crypto. Let's go over to the Bitcoin dominance and have a look. And we are completely collapsing on the Bitcoin dominance as well, down to 57,454. It still has a long way to go, don't get me wrong, but this could be the beginning of something very, very special that you're about to see in the altcoins, guys. We're going to stay on top of it. We're going to pay attention to it. We'll see what happens. We're going to watch as this plays out, so stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you like and subscribe to stay on top of when altcoin season will be kicking in. And guys, as always, if you've never been through an altcoin season before, surround yourself with people who have, okay? Because it's not easy. It's not as easy as I'll just wing it, okay? So when I tell you that, guys, we have an entire community of people from seasoned veterans to beginners over on our Patreon. You can schedule one-on-one coaching sessions with me. You can join our daily group Zoom calls where we all chat together. We talk about creating exit strategies, profit taking. I just did a bunch more one-on-one calls today with people, helping them design their exit strategies and when they should be taking profits. You want to make sure, guys, you don't sell too soon, and B, you don't hold too long. Because I promise you, 90% of people in crypto do not make money their first cycle. And the reason for that is because they either leave too soon because they think that that's it, or they hold on too long because other content creators are telling them it's a super cycle. There's a lot of guys. It becomes crazy confusing out there. I'm telling you, euphoria is everywhere. You get these big content creators with hundreds of thousands, if not millions of subscribers telling you that it's a super cycle, and they tell you not to sell because you're stupid if you sell. And then you get wrecked because the market comes down. I'm already starting to see content creators out there saying super cycle and saying that this time is different and that we're not going to see a bear market again and stuff like that. Guys, these are major red flags, okay? I don't care what metric they're trying to show you. I don't care what logical explanation they're trying to break down for you as to why they're right this time. They have been wrong every cycle, they have been wrong. I've been here, guys, for multiple cycles, and I have seen these people say these things cycle after cycle after cycle, and they have been wrong every single time. Their reasoning is almost always the exact same. This time is different, right? Super cycle, don't sell your coins. Do not get caught in that madness, guys. I promise you, you will hate yourself for it, right? When it comes time to take your profits, you have to know when to exit. You have to know how to identify where liquidity is inside the market so you can set your sell orders and have them fill. Because another frustrating thing, guys, is setting a sell order and having the price go right through it like a hot knife through butter, and your order doesn't fill. And you're left standing there going, what the hell, dude? I put in my sell order. Why did my sell order not fill? Because there was no liquidity where you put your sell order. There was no buy order on the other side of your sell order. Despite what people may think, when you sell crypto on an exchange, the exchange is not buying your crypto from you. They're just facilitating a trade between you and a buyer. If there's no buyer, guess what? The sell orders the price can go right through your sell order target and just keep on going, right? So do not get caught up in this stuff, guys. Join our community. Schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with me. Join our group Zoom calls every single day. Be a part of the conversation. We also discuss operating nodes, passive income opportunities, DeFi staking for amazing APR. So do not miss out on this stuff, guys. We do swing trades. We do all kinds of stuff. We'd love to have you join the community. The link is down in the description, guys. If you liked, click like. If you liked this video, click subscribe if you really liked it. And I will see you guys in the next one.